my name is Candy and I'm working as an admin assistant.
Hello, I'm Janice. I'm program manager.
So if I were to go out with my friends, I would just probably wear something I'm comfortable with. A bit lazy to dress up.
My preferred style, easy to manage office wear and neutral colours.
Just hoping to change to see if I can suit in other colours.
So I hope to learn something from this workshop that will make me more interesting in the office.
When you walked through this morning, I realized that your foundation was a bit too light. That means you can't wear anything that is too, showing too much skin. Like, if that doesn't match the skin tone, it looks a bit off. How do you put your outfit together?
I don't have much time to think about how to coordinate the colours, so I will just go for whatever is most convenient.
You're quite happy or quite open to colours?
Yes, I am.
And are you ready for it?
Sure.
So we're going to put you in a dress. And I think a dress is a good solution because you don't have to worry about top and bottom coordination every day. You want to try this on and see what it looks like?
Sure.
Okay.
Wow, so gorgeous on her. I'm a bit surprised because doesn't really look like the old me.
Wow, I look so different.
It's a well-cut item like a dress or even a pair of pants and a blouse. It gives you a really great shape and a silhouette. I know that you keep a lot of neutrals and you can always keep your all your neutral bottoms, but maybe go for a more colorful top. You like what you look like right now?
Yes, definitely. I look much younger actually in these colors, and fresher.
Yeah,
yes.
And it's kind of like your personality really shines through.
To me, it's quite a big change also, especially.
Fantastic, and I hope you can take this one step further.
Sure, I think I definitely will.
So I think I'll be more adventurous next time when I go shopping and look for different colors, different design.
I find it really looks slimmer and taller.
Looking good doesn't have to cost the earth. Look at what we've done with these great pieces from Uniqlo. And you can actually find out more how to get them to work even better together on Style Switch. CNA Lifestyle. See you there.